Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best vegan tzatziki is probably one of the most versatile and delicious dips you can add to your plant-based repertoire, offering a creamy, tangy, and refreshing flavor profile that perfectly complements everything from crisp vegetables and pita bread to grilled plant-based meats and falafel, making it an indispensable condiment for any occasion, whether you're hosting a party or simply looking for a healthy and satisfying snack. Number 5. The Spice Weight Tzatziki Seasoning Dip 4 ounces. Experience the authentic taste of Greece with our tzatziki seasoning dip. It's the perfect blend for a variety of dishes. Elevate your gyros and souvlaki with this versatile seasoning. It adds a delicious Greek flair to your favorite grilled meats. Easily make a creamy and refreshing tzatziki dip using yogurt as a base. It's a delightful accompaniment to any meal. Our seasoning comes in a convenient resealable bag, ensuring freshness with every use. Keep the flavor locked in. Enjoy peace of mind with our kosher-certified seasoning. We ensure the highest quality for your culinary creations. What we like? Experience the taste of Greece with this authentic blend. It's perfect for gyros, souvlaki, or a creamy yogurt dip. If you love traditional Greek flavors and want a convenient seasoning for multiple dishes, this is the one for you. What people say. This vegan tzatziki is a fantastic alternative for those seeking a dairy-free option. It has a creamy texture and a refreshing cucumber and dill flavor, making it a versatile dip for vegetables, pita bread, or as a topping for falafel and gyros. The ingredients are wholesome and natural, with no artificial flavors or preservatives. It's a great way to enjoy the classic taste of tzatziki without any dairy products, and it pairs well with a variety of Mediterranean dishes. Number 4. Spice plus Leaf Premium Tzatziki Dip Mix. Experience the authentic taste of tzatziki with our premium dip mix. It's crafted with high-quality ingredients for a truly delicious flavor. Our blend is completely vegan and kosher certified, making it a perfect choice for various dietary needs. Enjoy a guilt-free, flavorful addition to your meals. We believe in natural goodness. That's why our mix contains no artificial preservatives, ensuring you get pure, unadulterated flavor. This versatile spice blend isn't just for dip. Use it to enhance the flavor of fish, chicken salad, and so much more. It's your secret ingredient for culinary creativity. Whip up a delicious tzatziki dip in minutes. Simply combine with yogurt and your favorite additions for a fresh, homemade taste. Trust Spice Plus Leaf for exceptional spice blends. Our commitment to quality ensures you'll love the taste and convenience of this tzatziki mix. What we like? Enjoy a delicious dip without any animal products or artificial additives. This versatile mix is great for more than just tzatziki. Try it on fish or chicken salad. If you're seeking a clean label, plant-based option that adds flavor to various meals, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This vegan tzatziki is incredibly creamy and has a great dill flavor. It's a fantastic dairy-free alternative that tastes just like traditional tzatziki. Perfect for dipping vegetables or as a spread on sandwiches. Number 3. Bowls, Vibrant Recipes. Discover a world of vibrant flavors and endless culinary creations. Our recipes are designed to inspire your inner chef. Get ready to explore exciting new dishes. We believe in the power of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Elevate your meals with colorful produce and nourishing components. Taste the difference quality makes. Short on time but craving something delicious? These recipes are perfect for busy days. Enjoy satisfying meals without the fuss. Nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Our vibrant recipes offer the perfect balance of health and flavor. You don't have to compromise on taste to eat well. Embark on a journey of taste and texture. These bowls are more than just meals, they're an experience. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen. What we like? Unlock a world of culinary creativity with vibrant recipes. This product is all about exploring diverse and healthy bowl creations. If you're looking for inspiration to make exciting and nutritious meals, this is your go-to resource. What people say. This vegan tzatziki is a game-changer for plant-based eaters. It has a rich, creamy texture that mimics traditional tzatziki perfectly. The flavor is spot on. It's tangy, garlicky, and has just the right amount of dill. It's incredibly versatile and works great as a dip, spread, or sauce. I love that it's made with wholesome ingredients and is free from dairy and artificial additives. It's a healthy and delicious option for anyone looking to enjoy tzatziki without the dairy. Number 2. Mina Harissa Mild Sauce, 10 ounces. Discover the authentic taste of Morocco with Mina Harissa Mild Sauce. This home-style red pepper harissa paste offers a delightful blend of flavor and mild spice. Crafted with care, this harissa paste brings the traditional flavors of Moroccan cuisine right to your kitchen. It's a versatile seasoning that adds depth to any dish. Experience a unique tangy twist that elevates your meals. It's perfect for adding a zesty kick without overwhelming your palate. Let the vibrant flavors and aroma of this mild harissa seasoning awaken your senses. It's an exciting addition to your culinary adventures. Whether you're marinating, dipping, or cooking, this mild harissa is your go-to ingredient. Enjoy its rich taste and gentle heat in all your favorite recipes. What we like. Add a zesty, mild kick to your dishes with this authentic Moroccan paste. Its tangy red pepper flavor is perfect for adding depth to stews, marinades, or as a spread. If you enjoy nuanced heat and a touch of tang in your cooking, this will excite your senses. What people say. This vegan tzatziki is a fantastic alternative for those seeking a dairy-free option. The texture is surprisingly creamy and closely mimics traditional tzatziki. It has a bright, fresh flavor with a good balance of dill and garlic. Number 1. Blake's Crispy Treats Variety Pack 24 count. Introducing Blake's Crispy Treats Variety Pack. It's the perfect snack for everyone, offering a delightful taste without compromising on health. Enjoy guilt-free snacking with our gluten-free and vegan options. These treats are made with wholesome ingredients you can trust. We've carefully excluded common allergens like seed oils, dairy, and soy. This ensures a pure and simple snacking experience. Our commitment to quality means using only non-GMO ingredients. You can feel good about what you're feeding your family. Make school lunches exciting with these tasty treats. They are a convenient and healthy addition to any lunchbox. Who says healthy can't be delicious? These crispy treats are proof that you can have both amazing flavor and nutritional value. For busy parents, these treats are a lifesaver. They offer a quick, easy, and healthy snack solution for your on-the-go family. What we like. Indulge in a guilt-free, delicious treat that caters to various dietary needs. These crispy snacks are free from common allergens like gluten, dairy, and soy, and contain no seed oils. If you need a healthy, tasty, and safe snack option for school lunches or on the go, this variety pack is perfect. What people say. This vegan tzatziki is a fantastic alternative for those who are dairy-free or vegan. It has a creamy texture and a refreshing dill and cucumber flavor that closely mimics traditional tzatziki. I was pleasantly surprised by how well this vegan tzatziki performed. It's thick enough to use as a dip for vegetables and pita bread, and it also works wonderfully as a sauce for gyros and salads. The ingredients are all natural and recognizable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.